Jurassic Mile. This is Changi Jurassic Mile. Look at it. Oh, hello. With his eggs. This is the entrance. So 3D, I can't really see. Can you see the effects? Okay. So this is the entrance of Jurassic Mile. Do not pet a petasaurus hurt a head. This is what you see, what you're gonna expect. And you see this big dinosaur. Ah, book. Oh, that's his head. Then you see the mini purple dinosaur. See? Oh, look like what? So this is the first dinosaur. Okay, no more. Giant dinosaur head. I show you. He says hi. Oh my god, but the face is ugly. Hi.
Hi.
Hiya. Hiya. The dinosaur. It's a triceratops. It's a triceratops. Look at this. It's a triceratops. Okay, wait. Let me show you. The baby one. They have like the baby put his head through the eggshell. Ah. Oh, scary. Scary. Bye-bye. Fused lizard. Ankylosaurus. Ooh, interesting. You have been part of the canine unit with the German Shepherds. Okay, sure. Ah, look at them. Oh, they're fighting. Look at that, so cute. Hello. 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 I do not know what's the name of this, but look, it's so cute. It's a group of mischievous dinosaurs. Rawr. Yum. Rawr. Use the dinosaurs to not climb. Oh my god, see what I found? It's a baby dinosaur that just hatched out. Ah, look at the hand. Grab the hand. H-E-T. Oh, look at the teeth. Hey, he's so cute. Pet. Tyrannosaurus. King of tyrant lizard. This is a carnivorous animal group. They say 88 meters away there is some flying dinosaurs. Along the way, we found some baby pterodactyl. Oh my god, so cute. It's biting like mini eggs. Okay, continue. Another dinosaur. Look at this. What is this breed? I see another dinosaur. Roar. Look. Hello. We're in the cage. So this is what the dinosaur is. It's called a Parasaurolophus. Cool. This is what it's supposed to be. And where were they found? Oh, look at them. So cute. Dinosaur we found was a Brachiosaurus. Oh my god, wait, I show you. Drinking. It's there. Oh my god, can you see? Drinking water. So cute. Stop. Okay, and then moving down, we found another dinosaur. You can see that. It bite through the cloth because it's a T-Rex. Okay, wait. We are back. I found it. Oh my god, look at this. It made a mess. Oh look, they have baby T-Rex eggs. Oh my god, it's a T-Rex. Ah, the T-Rex holding two little paws. So cute. Hey, look, it's biting through. Oh my god, hi. Oh, you never brush teeth. Oh, hi. Oh, this is meant to be like golf sticks. Wow. Like at the end of this. What is this? Jurassic Connector, and there's like airport already, so that's the end. Bye bye. Changi.